Imagination is the key, and with Flexo you will see a Flexillion possibilities.
Incredible.
Hey there Flexo fam, this week we're building our cutest build yet, our baby turtle. We've got a couple different ways to make the baby turtle and we're going to show you them in this video. Make sure you watch till the end and you'll get a little sneak peek of something new we've been working on here at Flexo HQ. These are the parts we've used for our build today. We've chosen these colours for our baby turtle, but of course you can use any colours you like. Alright team, let's get building! For those of you who've built our starfish, our baby turtles build starts off exactly the same way. You can check the circle in the top right hand corner of the video to find out what length tendons we're using as we build along together. The baby turtles go really well with our Flexo Ocean Life turtle. We're going to make 5 parts and then we'll connect them together. Once we've connected the 5 parts together, we place another brick layer on top to seal in the tendons. Now we've created the body, it's time to give our little turtle its baby shell. To do this, we're going to use a T19 tendon and a yellow circle. Take the T19 tendon and wrap it around the neck of the turtle. This bit gets a little bit fiddly, but with perseverance and a little bit of patience, you'll get it, I'm sure. Time to give our baby turtle its eyes. And there we have our baby turtle with its little yellow shell. The second option is the way to build a baby turtle with a brown and yellow shell. This might be seen as more of a teenage turtle. What we're going to do is before we put on the yellow shell, we're going to go around and place a brown triangle on each of the 5 inside triangles of the turtle. We're then going to use the same technique to connect the yellow part of the shell to the turtle. And there we have a teenage turtle. Alright Flexo fam, time for a little bit of a sneak peek on something new we've been working on. We love to play with our Flexo. Half the fun is building it and half the fun is playing with it. So what we've come up with are some Flexo domes. These are nice colourful shiny domes that you can use to decorate and customise any of your builds. As you can see here, we're using the brown and yellow domes to give our baby turtle its shell. We're going to be using these domes some more in the future, so make sure you keep an eye out for them. Alright Flexo fam, thanks for building with us for another week. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and put the notifications bell on so you'll know when our next video comes out. We'll see you next week. In the meantime, go out there and be creative, think differently, and most of all, have fun.